Record. Okay. Welcome, guys. Today we discuss about create an Azure account. So here are learning objectives. Learn about Azure sign-up options that includes Azure free account. Azure, you can use Azure free services for 12 months, and also Azure gives $200 first month, so you can use them. So that's a credit you get from Azure Microsoft for the first month when you sign up when you sign up Azure free account, and also understand how billing works in Azure, and also different support plans. So Azure offers a different support plans that includes basic, developer, standard, professional, direct, and premium. So we will go through all these in this session. If you guys have any questions, just ping me in the chat. Let's start with Azure free account. What is the Azure free account? As I said, when you sign up Azure free account, you get $200 credit to spend for first 30 days. And there are a lot of services available all for 12 months. So there is Azure don't charge anything. And also after that, if you still want to use Azure, you can pick different pricing options, pay as you go model, and you can pick the support plan. Okay. Azure purchasing options. So you can choose the option that works best for you. So you can, if you want to buy Azure, you can go to the portal azure.com. Buying directly through azure.com is the fastest and easiest way. You can manage your Azure deployments and usage yourself, and you get monthly bill. Another option, Microsoft representative. So you can buy Azure through a Microsoft representative. So it is intended for large organizations or customers. So who already have one. So you will also manage your Azure deployments and usage yourself. And also you get monthly bill. Another option, Microsoft partners, the vendors. So you can get from a third-party vendor, you can get these Azure services. If you buy Azure as a managed service through your partner, so your partner will provide you with access to Azure, and they manage your billing and they provide the support. Any questions? So here are the options. Sign up for a free account. Just go to, so if you guys follow all these, we see all the options here. To create a free account, go to azure.microsoft.com/free. Create free Microsoft account, and you choose your country and pick the region, and then just use the ID. So you get a code on your phone, just verify it, and then just sign off it. So then you will get into this free account, so where you can see all the services. Okay, let me go to the portal. I already signed up, so I can directly go to the portal. So meanwhile, if you guys want to sign up for the Azure account, you can do it. So here, let me just type Azure Portal. Do you guys see my screen?
Yes, Praveen.
Oh, you see my screen, right? I'm logging into Azure Portal now.
Oh, that we cannot see. We can see sign up for free account.
So here, if you just type Azure Portal, so here is see sign into Azure. So you can pick, go to the portal or my account or sign in. You can do anything. When you say go to the portal, Here I already created an account. So let me log in. Enter your password. So if you guys you don't have any questions, you can go on mute. Okay, thank you. Could you guys go on mute, please? Okay, so here I'm in Azure Portal now. So if you see here, right? So when you deploy a virtual mission, so you see the notifications here. When you create anything, when you create a storage account, you see the progress here, if it is in progress or successful, if it is failed. So you can see the progress here. And also this is the account, your Microsoft account. And here, if you see a bill, you can see your bill, every monthly bill. So go to cost management. So I just signed up, I just created this account. So I didn't create any virtual missions. So I didn't create any resources. So that's why I don't see any bill here. So it is loading. Okay, so go to billing account. So you don't see anything here. So if you come here, right, you can see all the services here. So you can create a resource group. So when you create a resource group, you can put all your virtual mission, all your resources in that resource group. So when you give access to this resource group, then users can access all the resources inside the resource group. And here the SQL databases where you can create it and virtual missions. So we will create virtual missions so in the next sessions. So today I just want to show you guys what are the services available, how to create a free account in Azure, and also you can manage the dashboard. So here you can create resources, and here you can manage all the you can manage dashboard however you want. And then here we have a quick shot. If you click on Windows Virtual Mission, so you get all the documents, and then how to create a virtual mission using Portal, create virtual mission using PowerShell, create virtual mission Azure Client. So you get all the tutorials. Or if you want to create you here right in the portal, just type virtual mission. So here you see it, right? Just hit add. Then here you need to create a subscription. So when you sign when you create a free account, right, first time, then you see a default subscription, Azure subscription, and then you will see $200 credit first month, and after that, so you pay what you consume. Okay, so here you create a resource group. Let's say this is a test, or this is a demo session. Okay, not deploying anything. I just want to show you guys. Okay, demo session, you can create a resource group, and then you can give virtual mission name. Okay, let me give you a virtual mission or test virtual mission. Okay, and then region, we can pick any region where you want to deploy this virtual mission, where you want to keep this virtual mission. Let's pick here. You see the recommended option. So Azure offers a recommended. So let's pick East US. No infrastructure redundancy required, availability zone, availability site. So we can go through this in the next modules. Okay, I just want to, so here you can pick either Windows, Ubuntu, or whichever operating system you want. Okay, so let's pick Ubuntu, or let's pick anything is fine. Okay, so let's pick a Windows 2016, and then here, if you come here, right, then you see all different size VM sizes, and then RAM based on VM size and RAM. You see the difference. Let me just filter it, so you can sort them. You can sort it here. See, the lowest one is 0.5 RAM, so it costs $7.15 per monthly, estimated. Okay, so let me pick this. Okay. So I pick this one, and let's give a username. Let's call Azure user. See, so here if you see username, right, when you're creating username cannot contain special characters. So you cannot apply any special characters when you're creating username. Usernames must not include any reserved words, and also values is in between 1 and 20 characters long. Okay, so you can't, you should give like the name between 1 and 20 characters, and password. Okay, so here if you see password must not be empty enough, we know this. So, and also we have to, the value must be between 12 and 123. If you just use eight words, so it doesn't let you in. So let's use at least 12 words as a password. Okay, so one lowercase character, one uppercase, one number, and one special character. Here I just put it all lowercase characters and numbers. So I missed uppercase and special character. Okay, let me go back. So now in this password, I used uppercase, lowercase, a number, and special character. Okay, so now in inbound port rules, you can pick public inbound ports, all selected ports available. So you can pick RDB or SSH or HTTPS, but here let's just use RDB. RDP means a remote desktop. Okay, and let's go to disk size. Okay, so I want to use just a standard, because if you go to a premium, this is for a critical workloads, high performance. So, but I just want to stick with standard HTTP. So it's you can save some money. Okay, and encryption at rest with the platform managed key. I will give you guys details on what this encryption means in networking. Then I just leave everything default. Advanced. Okay, review. Okay, here if you see it, right, product details, standard, here subscription credit supply. So I don't have any credits left in my account. So here if you see validation failed, just view details. So specific errors, subscription. Okay, here I have a problem with the subscriptions. Okay. Okay, let me go here. I think so. Subscription here is a problem. So I think I may have to use another account. Okay. Okay. I think let me fix this subscription issue. Okay. So if we see the error, so I will log out from this account. So let me fix the subscription error. Okay. Validation passed. So we don't see any subscription errors. Okay. Let's just deploy the subscription. So you need a subscription. So when you create a free account, so you have a default subscription, a name Azure subscription. and you create a resource group, and then where you can keep all this, you can keep this virtual machine inside that resource group. And region, we pick East US, and no availability zones, and username Azure users, and then you can access through RDP. Okay, so let me create this. So here you can see the progress, deployment in progress. So you can see the notification whenever you deploy any resource, you can see it here, the progress. Right now it is running. Okay, let's go to home, and then here just pick the resource groups. So we just created a resource group call. Okay guys, if you guys don't speak, please go on mute. If you have any questions, just ping me in the chat. Okay, it is still deploying. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, sometimes you don't see it right away. It must be deployed. Let's see, no notifications. So here you can see all the notifications. Validate deployment. Here you can see all the progress. It's just a subscription. Okay, today a few seconds ago. But let's give 1 or 2 minutes. Let's see if the resources are created. If not, so I think I have a subscription issue. I will fix that subscription issue. Let me use another account. Okay. So, but if you guys see here, right, you can see all the options. Azure Cosmos DB is load balancer. If you are looking for any particular product, you can pick here marketplace. So here, if you want to use a third-party software, I want to get a Teradata. Just type Teradata. So here you can get everything Teradata stuff. So if you want to use Informatica, just type Informatica. If you are ETL user, if you want to use Oracle, just type here. So you can get Oracle database here from this marketplace where you have to buy. So create and you have to pay. Okay, this is okay. So when you guys create Azure account, so you can see all this. So and then let's go to next slide. So now let's talk about Azure building. When you sign up, an Azure subscription is created by default. So you get $200 credit. And also you can create additional Azure subscriptions, organizational structures. If you need a separate subscription for each department, you can do that. And also you can split billing based on your organization. So you can set up a separate billing account for each department, and also you can combine all these billing accounts under one master billing account. Okay. Here is the billing to meet your need. If you see it, right? So you have one master billing account, and under that you have two billing profiles, and also you have a lot of Azure subscriptions. So here each department gets their own billing. Depending on your needs, you can set up multiple invoices within the same billing account. Okay, so to do this, right, we need to create additional billing profiles. So you get monthly bill every subscription. So each billing profile has its own monthly invoice and payment method. And Azure support options. So when you sign up a basic support plan, right, there are 5 support plans, Azure support plans: a basic, a developer, a standard, professional, direct, and premium. So all these services are free for all these plans, even for the basic. So you have 24/7 access to the online documentation, community support, and any demo videos on YouTube. And also, if you need a billing assistance, you have questions about subscription, so you can always contact this subscription management support. Azure Service Help gives you insight on issues related to your Azure services. You can use this Azure Service Help. I will show you guys on the portal. So it gives you insights on issues related to your Azure services, and Azure Advisor gives you a personalized recommendation how optimize your cost and performance and security. So Azure Advisor. See, here are the plans, but the basic, you don't have to pay anything, but developer, developer $29, I think. So developer $29, and standard, you have to pay $100, I think, and professional direct, you have to pay $1,000. It's monthly. So when you pick a developer, right? So when you pick a developer, here they recommended what developer plans. A developer plan best for non-critical workloads. If you don't have any critical workload, just go for developer. And also, if you have production workloads and critical workloads, you need immediate assistance or support from Azure, then you pick a standard and then professional direct. And if you see that response time for a developer plan, 1 business day, a standard 1 hour response for any critical cases, any production issues or anything. Professional direct 1 hour response, and also priority, taking care of the critical cases. The proactive technical support, it doesn't apply for developer and standard, and it applies access to a full of technical expert if you pick a professional direct plan. Let's go. If you have any questions, right, are new products, or when you are working, you are getting some issue, so you can always use this Azure Knowledge Center, Microsoft Tech Community, or any of these. You can post your questions. So if you post it in Azure Knowledge Center, right, so that's common support questions you can get from Azure Knowledge Centers. And also Azure feedback forums, read ideas and suggestions for improving Azure made by Azure users. And also, if you have a Twitter account, you can follow this at Azure support to get answers and support from the official Microsoft Azure Twitter channel. So knowledge check. Which of the following statements is true about an Azure subscription? Using Azure does not require a subscription. That's a wrong answer. You need subscription. An Azure subscription is a logical unit of Azure services. And third one, you can't have more than one subscription. So we just discussed, if you have multiple departments, if you want to divide your billing, right? So you can create create a different billing profiles, and you can combine under one master account. Okay, so here you see it, right? So here you can have multiple subscriptions. So 1 second, running out of time in 10 minutes. That's fine. Okay, so we'll finish it in 10 minutes. Okay, so first one is not right one. Using Azure does not require, you need a subscription. And third one, you can't have it. That's wrong, but you can have multiple subscription. So here the right answer, a second one. An Azure subscription is a logical unit of Azure services. Your billing is based on your usage of Azure resources and is invoiced a daily, a monthly, annually. So you get a bill a monthly. Okay, so the daily is not right answer and annually not right answer. Monthly is the right answer. Let me see if anyone answer. I think I see in the chat someone answered. I think my mouse is not working. That's fine. Okay. So here, yes, right. So okay, I think yeah, monthly, right? That's monthly. And then third one, when you create an Azure resource like a virtual machine, you select it belongs to. Okay, I think someone answered. Okay. Number 3, Azure subscription. Okay. Billing account. Okay. Let's talk about. If you say billing account or billing profile, you use a billing profile to manage your invoice and payment methods. A billing account, right? You use your billing account to manage your invoices, payments, and track cost. And third one, Azure subscription. An Azure subscription is a container used to provision resources in Azure. Okay, so that's the difference. So here is the right answer, Azure subscription. Okay, let's go to fourth one. Which Azure support plan is best for business critical workloads? Azure Developer, Azure Professional Direct, Azure Standard. So here if you see a business critical workload, so developer, that is best for non-critical workloads. Okay, so let me go to this slide. Let's just go to the plans again. See, and all the production workloads, standard. Business critical workloads, professional direct. Okay, so the right answer, Azure Professional Direct. Guys, let me stop this. So I will show you guys how to create a virtual machine in the portal. So we will log in back in Azure Portal.